Hello there! Thank you for purchasing the Shimmer theme. Let's get started on installing it on your website. Download the Shimmer theme zip to your computer. Unzip the files. You'll find a folder named Shimmer. Inside it, navigate to a folder named Reusable Blocks. Copy this folder to somewhere you can find later. We're going to use these files if you want to use page templates shown in the demo website. Go to your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, go to Appearance, Themes, and click on Add New button at the top of the page. Click on Upload Theme button to open up the Upload panel. Choose shimmer.zip from your computer and click on Install Now button. When the uploading process is done, click on Activate button.